your fans that your swagger from me. I must be a god if you
What's
think
up YouTube, it's your boy King D. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, I am doing a prank video on my cousin Kamisha. So, she been wanting to go to this Queen Naja and Akio, however you say her name. She been wanting to go to that concert. So, I got this video from Ken, from De'Ara and Ken. I made a fake Ticketmaster ticket to where she can go see them. Because I met Queen, I got to interview Queen and stuff, and she was supposed to go, but she wasn't able to go. So, I'm going to call her and tell her that I really need her to come over, because it's very important. So, let me show you guys the ticket that I made. The ticket will be right here on the screen somewhere. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe on the road to 1K. I mean, on the road to 2K. She's gonna hate me, but hey, I do not care. It's prank wars, baby. I told her. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. I just really need you to come over though, like seriously. It's important.
Okay, dude, can I put some clothes on though? I ain't got no clothes on.
Okay, I'm just saying.
Let me put my clothes on. I'll be over there in a minute.
Alright. Okay, guys. She's here. What do you want? Come here. What? It's something me and your mama did. Okay. Come here. What? Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. No. Okay. You know how you want to go see Queen, right? Okay. Is your airdrop on? No.
How do you do that?
So am I going?
Mm-hmm. To Nashville.
Oh, okay. Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you going with me?
Oh, I can't. That's a Monday.
She'll start party. You doing any better?
Mm-mm. Are you serious?
And it's VIP, so you get to meet her and Queen.
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
Stop playing.
I'm not playing. You get to,
your
it says it right there, VIP. And on the floor. The ticket was $200.
Stop playing.
I'm not playing.
Y'all play too much.
I'm not playing.
You playing.
No, I'm not.
Who did this?
Me and your mom. I helped. We put in on it.
Y'all stop playing.
You see, it says $200.
Oh my God. You playing. Who am I supposed to go with?
I don't know, but it's Monday.
How many tickets did y'all get? One?
Yeah. Monday.
And it's sold out, so I ain't got nobody to go with. I gotta go by myself?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. I cannot. I get to
meet them. Why I gotta be bad? This is
VIP.
And it's the day after Mother's Day.
Mm-hmm.
Is that my Mother's Day gift?
You know.
Stop playing,
Oh,
y'all. Y'all did not buy these. I'm on row 2.
Oh, hi. You'd be like, oh, hi.
Hell no. How did y'all do it? You know what? I was just looking at her post. And it was like, it was sold. I was like, damn. I was like, oh, well. Oh, no. I get to meet them? I really just want to go for Queen.
You're not excited. You don't.
I am. It's not sinking in. Like, I get to go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
You know, I work my magic, honey. You know. And they were sold out of VIP, but you know, I know good manager. You know, I know spicy mafia management.
That is crazy. That is crazy. Stop playing. I feel like you playing.
I'm not playing.
You are.
No, I'm not.
This gotta be fake.
SeatGeek, that's a real ticket company.
Oh my God. I get to go. I'm so excited. I just
You
wish
get
I
to
had
meet this person that I met.
Oh, I gotta be bad, honey. I don't want to go by myself though.
Virtually, I have school.
Your mama wouldn't let you go?
No. And they sold out. Can't go anyway.
Fine.
You're not. You're so more excited.
I am excited. I'm just scared to go by myself.
For what?
Cause first of all, it's Nashville. I don't know my way around there. I ain't gonna have nobody with me.
Just take a flight. Make sure your hair is laid, you know.
I'm gonna be bad. I'm excited.
That's all you say. I'm excited.
I really am. Like, I can't believe
I'm
I get to go
excited.
to a concert. I haven't been to a concert in a very long time. Oh, I'm gonna call my mom like, I know you lying. How did you do that?
Don't worry about it.
Why did y'all do that? Y'all always doing stuff to me. Y'all be trying to give me a heart attack. For real, for real. I'm like super duper excited, but my stomach hurt.
Look at the TV.
And actually, in reality, it ain't gonna be fake, but I even put like VIP meet and greet. I'm actually gonna post it here on the screen. And she sees like this VIP meet and greet ticket. $3,500 a ticket, so she's absolutely gonna freak out. And if she believes it, if not, I tried. This year is fake.
No, you're not. Oh, no. I know you lying.
Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
Why would you even play with me like that?
I really that was wise for you. Like you're a freak.
I'm sorry, I had to.
No.
You told me that I need to do content, so I did some content. Something believable. You said do believable pranks. I love you. No.
I don't get off of me.
I love you. I love you.
You had me so excited for no reason. Like, I was really happy. Then the fact that it sold out. Like, I can't go.
I really thought you was. How you didn't tell? It says right there, fun ticket generator on side.
Come do DoorDash for me.
No, I didn't. Prank D. Got it twice.
That got me. Really?
Twice. Got you twice. Less than a month.
I'm gonna go.
Want to tell the people anything?
No.
The 1.4 thousand subscribers?
No, because you really just blew it. Like, I got so excited for no reason. And I was really excited.
Now I gotta do it to my best friend. Well, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe on the road to 2K. And if you want any more prank ideas to do on her, because you know, I'm up 2, she up 0. Yeah. So, let's